In this video, you're gonna learn how to master your craft and train like an Olympic athlete on the keyboard. Hey, my name is Trey Cross, and like I said last week, I'm glad to be back. I've been MIA for 2 years, just trying to get over a heavy case of grief after the passing of my father. God rest his soul. But I'm finally back. I've been playing keys for 24 years. I have my fair share of playing time. I've been teaching people how to play gospel keys by ear for 10 years, and I've taught over 500 students how to play. So my goal is to help people just like you learn how to play gospel keys as simple as possible. So before we move any further, please do me a quick favor and like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I will be very, very happy to see you do that, and I'll also be even more happy to know that you'll be able to see my videos from here on out. So let's get into it. Now, Olympic athletes, like I said earlier, I want to help you train like an Olympic athlete. I don't want you to train like an amateur. I want you to train like a professional. And there are reasons why. First of all, Olympic athletes are the best from their country. They're the best in the world, and they represent their country as the top tier athletes. Everybody can't become an Olympic athlete because everybody doesn't train like one. So what's the difference between an amateur and a professional? And the answer is, it's all in how they practice. It's all in how they prepare. All right. So let me show you how an amateur prepares on the keyboard versus how a professional prepares on the keyboard. All right, let's get into it. So amateurs, they'll be like, okay, let's go. So I'm in C. Practicing the 4-6-5 chord progression. All right, so I got that down. So let me go ahead and go to the 6-4-1-5 chord progression. So what's that? Let me see. I messed that up. Let me try it again. All right, I got that down. All right, cool. So I got that down. I didn't mess up on that last time, so I'm good. So now let me try the 4-6-5. I messed that up. My bad. Let me practice that again so I can make sure I get it right. Cause don't forget, I'm still practicing as an amateur. 4-6-5. Okay, got it down. 4-6-5. It only took me one time to get it down, but I got it. 4-6-5. Now that is how amateurs practice. Let me show you how professionals practice. Like I said, I want you to train like an Olympic athlete. This is how professionals practice. So as a professional, I want to train like a professional. I want to practice like a professional. So I'm going to work on the 6-4-1-5 chord progression. All right. All right, I messed up. Let me try it again. Messed up again. Let me try it again. It's practice, but it's okay. All right, I got it, but I'm gonna keep going. Do you see the difference? Amateurs practice until they get it right. Professionals practice it over and over and over and over until they cannot get it wrong. That's the difference. Now, this is not about how you sound. This is about excellence. So that is how that has to be the mindset, depending on what type of keyboard player you want to become. Do you want to become a keyboard player that operates and sounds like an amateur, or operates and sounds like a professional? When they hear you play, do you want to be all over the place and kind of messing up and not really focused? Or do you want to be really, really efficient, even though you may not sound the way you want to sound at the time, but you still are efficient? Like, which one do you want? So you practice according to the type of keyboard player that you want to become. I hope that made sense. I really do. Listen, if you are interested in learning how to play gospel keys, you're interested in allowing me to teach you, I do teach virtual lessons. I do. I have a Telegram link at the bottom of this video. Just simply click on it. It will take you to my free introduction. It would lead you to my introduction. It's a 27-minute introduction for my class, and that will give you all the information that you need to be coached by yours truly, and we'll go from there.